Today, we're featuring a 2018 Peterbilt 579 Tandem day cab tractor. This unit comes fully loaded with power windows, power door locks, and power mirrors, plus AM, FM, CD radio with battery shutoffs and a full power group. Also features a smart steering wheel. This Peterbilt features a Paccar MX-13 engine with 510 horsepower, 182-inch wheelbase, 18-speed automatic transmission with a 3.91 gear ratio, low-air leaf suspension with a 13,200 front axle rating, and Super 40s rear. Also features a sliding fifth wheel. It also comes equipped with full locking rear differentials. This Peterbilt has 400,000 miles on it and is work ready. For more heavy equipment trucks like this, check out our complete inventory at internationalmachinery.com. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more heavy spec truck reviews and features. Follow us on Instagram and Facebook for more at International Machinery.